you're logged into Schoology. I am using Ron as our example. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your gradebook and click up here on your classes. And right here you see it's already on semester 1. You're going to switch this to semester 2. So now we're going to set up the semester 2 classes. So I'm going to start with Art Preview. I'm going to go to Schoology and select those courses. It'll be easy to figure out which is semester 1 and semester 2. The semester 1 classes, the section is only going to be 1 digit. The second semester will be 2 digits. So Art Preview section 10 is going to be his second semester course. If you want to check and make sure, the grading period is down here and it says second semester. So you're going to go to Gradebook first, Grade Setup, and you're going to figure out if you want categories or total points. So for this example, I'm going to use categories. So I'm going to go right up here to the Add button and type in the name of my category. So you have two options. You can either create a category and not have it weighted, and if you do that, you're just going to leave this at total points, and that's done. If you do want to have it weighted, you're going to click this checkbox right here and put in what you want the weight to be. Now, one important thing is everyone needs to make sure this gradebook scale right here is PFAA grade scale, and up here in the right-hand corner, this says numeric. But this PFAA grade scale is important because it's going to show the right calculations to the students who look at it. Okay, so I'm going to save those changes. So right now I only have one category for 100%. I'm then going to go to the Power School button on the left-hand side. And I'm going to click this Automatically Shorten Assignment Titles. Everyone needs to have this clicked and saved. So these are the categories that are currently set up in my gradebook. As you can see, there's no homework. That's fine. I'm just going to make homework sync to the classwork category. Okay, so I'm going to save changes. Okay, so as long as this is checked and all of your categories are mapped, you're good to go on the Schoology side, but you do still need to fix some stuff in PowerSchool. So the first thing is to go to Settings and go to Traditional Grade Calculations. So as you can see right here, this is set up right now for total points. It doesn't have that category. So I'm going to click the Edit button, and I'm going to select Category Weighting. And I set up that homework to be mapped to classwork, which is not listed right here. So if that happens, close out of this, go up to Grading, and go to Categories. And you're going to show the inactive categories. So you can see right here, there is a classwork one, but it's not being used. So I'm going to edit it, select class, and I'm making it so it's active for semester 2. So I'm going to go back to my traditional grade calculations, see if it shows up. And it doesn't. Sorry, I didn't click the active button, so you're going to need to make that category active and then save it. So you'll know if it's active if it has these arrows. So go back to your traditional grade calculations, edit, go to category weighting, and see classwork is there now. And I'm making it 100% because this is just an example, and click save. And you are all set. And so then you'll need to do the exact same thing for your other sections. These won't automatically sync over to every section, so you do have to edit each individual one. You can see this top one I edited already says category weights, but the bottom one still says total points. So you will need to edit it in PowerSchool, and then also go back into your courses and edit it in Schoology. So I'm going to go through the steps one more time so you can see. So I selected my second semester class. First, I'm going to go to Gradebook, Grade Setup. I'm going to add a category. So I'm going to call this one Homework. And I want this category weighted. So I'm going to make it 100%. I'm going to double check this gradebook scale. This should be on PFAA grade scale. And this rubric at the top should be on numeric. And then I'm going to save the changes. So that's step one. Then I'm going to go to PowerSchool. I'm going to go to Configuration, check this checkbox, and I'm going to map my categories. So I'm going to put Homework in the Classwork category, save changes. Then I'm going to go to Power Teacher, click on Settings, Traditional Grade Calculation, and I'm going to edit this Dance 7. So click the Edit button, change this total points to category weighting, and Classwork is my option. Change it to 100% and save. And that's it.